How is artificial intelligence going to change product management? Now, I might be biased, but I believe product management is never going anywhere and will truly never be replaced by something that is not a human. Simply because there is so much human involvement and empathy and judgment that is required in every part of product. Human empathy and judgment to prioritize decisions, to rationalize those decisions, influence other people and communicate those decisions. Some things that an AI couldn't really do. It might be able to list items that should go on your roadmap based on brainstorming features for a product, but it will never know really if that's going to help achieve your vision. And a really big part of product is influencing people. You really need humans to influence other humans. Where I think AI could be useful is anything that helps to free up PM's time from the day-to-day operational tasks to help them focus more on strategic work. So enabling better decisions, perhaps faster decisions, and better communication, because maybe AI can draft a narrative for you that you can send out to people rather than spending that time writing it yourself. Now let's talk about specific examples throughout the product lifecycle where AI can help. So in ideation and discovery, maybe an AI can generate a whole bunch of product ideas for you, whether that's for a new business idea or it's for an existing one. You can get it to scour the internet and collate and summarize for you market research and competitor analysis. Context of industry and your niche is so important in product. And while I wouldn't want to outsource this completely, it could do a lot of the groundwork for you. So you can really focus on digesting that and thinking about what it means for you and your products. This could be really good for a company that doesn't have a dedicated research team. Next, product definition. Hey AI, go and write for me a bunch of use cases for this given persona for this type of product. Once you've done that, write the requirements out for me. That line shouldn't be there, but maybe just getting the AI to brainstorm different product features as well if you're at a loss for where to start. The way I look at this is really using the AI as a starting point. So you're not starting from a complete blank canvas. It's presenting you something, then you can do with that information what you wish. Solution design. Now, AI, explain to me what all these technical concepts mean in plain English. It's going to be great for non-technical PMs. Yes, you can Google what something means, but if you can be explained that in a conversational way, like in some of my previous videos, then that's going to be really helpful in helping you communicate and work better with engineering. AI and development is a whole other beast. I'm not a developer, so I'll leave that one for you guys to comment how you think it's going to help. AI can help draft messaging before you're about to launch something and help write customer documentation and even marketing material. And post-launch activities, I think helping customers to self-service is the most exciting one. Comment your thoughts on AI and product.